Welcome to the installation of CURT's 51200 Echo inline trailer brake controller. Before we begin, please refer to your vehicle's owner's manual to identify your vehicle's recommended towing capacity to protect your vehicle, yourself, and everyone else on the road. You can find the instruction sheet linked in the video's description below. For an easier installation, we recommend uninstalling the spare tire temporarily to give you more room to work. Begin by locating the vehicle's electrical trailer connectors at the rear of the vehicle. This is where you would plug in your trailer wiring harness. From underneath and behind the bumper, locate the backside of the trailer connector. There will be a factory-installed electrical wiring harness socket called a US car socket plugged into the trailer connector. You will want to uninstall this socket from the connector. On some vehicles, there is a gray-colored lock that needs to be removed before you can separate the harness, and on others, there is a locking tab that needs to be depressed. Carefully uninstall the socket from the connector. Then insert the Echo's harness connectors into the US car socket and the trailer connector you just separated. Make sure the harness connectors are fully seated and the locking tabs click into place. Locate a mounting location for the main Echo module. This location should be free of excessive heat sources, shielded from road debris, and it should not interfere with the spare tire. You will also want to leave room for the Echo's wiring harness to connect the main harness connector to the module. Prepare the location by using a cleaning solution and paper towel or shop rag to clean the surface. Use the included double-sided tape and adhere one side of the tape to the chosen location. Then, stick the module to the tape to hold it in place. The Echo module can be mounted in any orientation and secured in a few different ways, including with zip ties or self-tapping screws, as long as the module does not move around. Choose your mounting solution carefully. We have chosen to fasten the module to this area using the included zip ties. If you choose to mount the module with the self-tapping screws, be aware of what you are drilling into in order to prevent damage to hidden wires or other factory systems. Once the module is mounted, install the main harness connector into the module. Depending on your vehicle, Echo may begin flashing internal LED lights. This is normal. It means that 12-volt power is being supplied and the module is calibrating. Use the remaining zip ties to secure any excess from the Echo harness and secure everything in place to prevent any damage or wear. Reinstall your spare tire. Echo illuminates a variety of colors that indicates the current status of the module. Refer to your reference guide to understand which color indicates the specific status. The flashing blue light on the module means the module has 12-volt power, but a trailer has not been connected. Connect your trailer's wiring harness connector to the vehicle's 7-way receptacle. Then download the One Control Auto app from your preferred app store, create an account, and pair Echo to the One Control Auto app using Bluetooth. It is critical that you pair Echo to the One Control Auto app and not to your phone. This is a common misstep. The Echo module will flash a green light once it is ready to pair. You will be prompted to supply a PIN number to pair successfully. The Echo inline brake controller comes with a business card-sized quick reference guide. This card also will list the specific PIN number you will need to use to pair successfully to the One Control app. Once the PIN number is entered, the app will search for your nearby Echo device, and once found, Echo will be successfully paired with the app. The module will illuminate a solid green color to indicate Echo is paired and ready to use. Now, you can create a custom trailer profile for your towing setup and dial in your optimized trailer brake settings. Setting up your trailer profile correctly is critical for Echo to function properly and for you to have a great and safe towing experience. For more information on how to create and save your specific trailer profiles, please watch our additional Echo support videos. They will be linked in the description below as well as found on our website. That completes the installation of CURT's 51200 Echo inline brake controller. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button and always tow safely.